The MA50 sort of is, as of now, at $1 in an especially huge manner. The $74695 support level for Spellist essentially is areas of strength for truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Spellist especially is stood up to with opposition level of R1 at $0.96 in an essentially significant manner. Bears control spells by and large current cost activities, showing that bears control spells. Extremely current cost activities, which certainly is genuinely huge. 24 February 2024. In this video, we will in a real sense walk you through generally spelled genuinely token cost examination for now or for truly 1 week from now and sort of attempt to answer these. Regularly truly got clarification on some pressing issues facts. What basically is truly transient cost expectation for sort of spell token, explicitly as really spell a fundamentally wise interest in a truly significant manner. Spell token help and obstruction levels and so on in an unpretentious manner. In any case, prior to plunging pretty profound into the spell specialized examination, generally let us essentially discuss the exceptionally current economic situations kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Market examination over the especially last 24 hours, there for the most part was a ruin of 184%, bringing the genuinely whole cryptographic money market to $1,977, 896, 265, 575, which generally is very huge. The extremely all-out exchanging volume fundamentally remains at $50, 334, 576, 911, or so they for the most part thought. Bitcoin shares 51.18% of the entry market, while Ethereum in every practical sense has a strength of 16.33%, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking, which truly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $51, 543.17 level after a vertical development of 0.77%, which truly is very huge. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum in a real sense, has seen a cost increment of 142% coming to $2,987.48 during the past 24 hours in a genuinely significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $382.54, following a value change of 192% inside a similar time span, which by and large shows that 24 February 2024. In this video, we will truly walk you through explicitly spell sort of token cost examination for now or for in every practical sense, 1 week from now and by and large attempt to answer these regularly certainly got clarification on pressing issues facts, what sort of is especially transient cost expectation for really spell token, in a real sense is basically spell a kind of wise venture, or so they generally thought. Sol the especially local coin of Solana truly is up by 2.3 and at present exchanging at $103.77, exhibiting that Sol the truly local coin of Solana sort of is up by 2.3 and right now exchanging at $103.77 in a significant manner. Furthermore, XRP came to $55, subsequent to seeing an elevate of 191% in esteem in a genuinely huge way. These occasions basically show that the market truly is going in an exceptionally descending heading for in every practical sense, momentary in every practical sense significant way. Right now, a truly broad, extremely regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Spell really token help and opposition backing and obstruction for the most part are significant specialized pointers used to distinguish pretty key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, which by and large is very huge. Support most certainly is a level at which purchases truly become considerably more truly dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from falling any genuinely further in a significant manner. Similarly, opposition in every practical sense is a level at which merchants truly become move especially dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. So while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $382.54, following a value change of 192% inside a similar time span, which in every practical sense shows that 24 February 2024. In this video, we will sort of walk you through really spell truly token cost examination for now or for genuinely 1 week from now, and especially attempt to answer these habitually explicitly got clarification on pressing issues facts. What truly is certainly momentary cost expectation for the most part spell token, especially as by and large spell and in every practical sense wise speculation, which especially is very huge. Following by and large are the help and opposition levels of basically spell extremely token spell sort of token execution, the cost of in every practical sense. Spell commonly token spell especially is at dollars and to 6994, down 169% in the especially beyond 24 hours, and has a value change of 6% throughout the week in an unobtrusive manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC basically is 682,709 AGS, while all things considered, complete market cap came to $89,992, 626 AUS in a huge manner. They sort of are practically 103,446, 9020, 678. Truly are available for use out of 103,214,939,480. So these occasions generally show that the market basically is going in a fundamentally descending heading for especially momentary in an all things considered enormous way. Spell essentially token value investigation spell cost examination for 24 February 2024 inside a truly everyday time span fundamentally made sense of underneath, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. We utilize kind of relative strength indexes, moving extremely normal union and disparity MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including kind of straightforward moving sort of normal SMA and outstanding moving really normal MA to explicitly break down the future development of the spell token, or so they essentially thought. While Spell's Williams percent R marker truly is at 54,378 for the 14-day time span showing a nonpartisan condition, a exchange commonly signal. Especially as in every practical sense conceivable at this reach, exhibiting how these occasions sort of demonstrate that the market generally is going in a genuinely descending bearing for truly present moment, which really is very huge. The spellist, moving in every practical sense, normal union and dissimilarity MACD pointer truly is demonstrating a by and large momentary sort of sell sort of sign as the MACD line essentially is moving underneath beautiful sign line, which fundamentally implies truly bears especially are ruling on the lookout, showing how the spellist moving sort of normal combination and difference MACD marker especially is demonstrating a kind of present moment certainly sell fundamentally signal as the MACD line sort of is moving. Beneath kind of sign line which explicitly implies all things considered, bears certainly are overwhelming on the lookout, which for the most part is genuinely huge. According to the cost examination, the spell cost may sort of track down help at these vital degrees of $1,298 and $1,74695. Moving beneath these levels could explicitly carry the cost to $1,068,490, which in every practical sense shows that while Spell's Williams percent R marker in every practical sense is at 54,378 for the 14-day time span demonstrating an impartial condition. A exchange commonly signal in a real sense is really conceivable at this reach, exhibiting how these occasions essentially show that the market most certainly is going in every practical sense, descending heading for genuinely momentary in a by and large enormous manner. On the essentially opposite side, the obstruction levels especially are at $96 and